Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. Today I will try to take some trades and explain each trade. So let's get it started. When I opened the chart, I saw this chart, which looks pretty clean because we have been coming down previously and now we're just simply going up. And if you look at the past, when we were coming down, at some point the price tried to break this price channel to the upside. Okay, and did a pullback and then kept going up. And now again, we have broken this price channel. We did a pullback and now we probably will keep going down. So here we have the support area. So we never trade. Let me just take this trade with the buyers. We never want to go against the support. For example, if you have a sell setup right here, you know that the market's overall direction will be downtrend. But now we're on the support area, and on the support area, we don't want to go against it. We don't want to go with the sellers on the support. Instead, we draw other price channels. We draw this one, okay, and see how it moves. Basically, when we have a price channel, price really likes to switch between support and resistance, okay? So now the minor trend will be uptrend. This is going to be minor uptrend, minor uptrend, minor downtrend, and minor downtrend. And overall major trend is also uptrend. Okay, but market direction based on the past of the market should be something like this. Okay, overall it will be coming down. It might do some crazy stuff like that, but we know that it will come down, right? It was a winning trade. This is a doji break, but like I said, it will be a bit risky, so I will take it very small because there's chance of losing this trade because this is the market's direction. Okay, as long as we haven't started coming down, we don't want to take a sell. Okay, this is just simply a doji break and only one reason to take the trade. All right, so that's why I took it very small. You should try to manage your risk by taking smaller trades on riskier trades. That's simply it. And now I will give you another example of exactly this type of doji trade, but a better trade simply. Okay, let me just check what we have in the lower time frame here. Yes, we have a fresh supply right here. I will take a double trade of, again, small amount just to make that up. This is a much better trade. Anyways, I was about to show you something better. Okay, so you know that this is a QM trade, right? If you have been following me long enough, you would know that this pattern, low, high, lower low, and then higher high, this is a QM pattern, right? And after seeing the QM pattern in the market, we will have the QM zone. This is the QM zone. And the market will react from it. But there's some rules to trade these QMs. And it will be explained. I mean, it's already explained in the mini course part 2, which is free on YouTube. You can watch it in the channel page. I believe if you go to the popular section, you will find mini courses. If you're new and you don't know where to start, it can be a good start. Okay, this is a QM, right? Let me just remove this one so you don't get confused. Remove everything, and then so I marked the QM zone just like that. It does sometimes it has this kind of trend lines. It makes it much more stronger to have a trend line. So basically there's some rules for trading these, but that's not the point because I'm trying to show you something else. So this is the QM zone. Price has touched the QM zone. Simply we have a demand area, most likely in the lower time frame as well. So the price went up, and we know that when price touches QM, most likely it will go until the next supply area. Okay, so we would think that, oh, prices will try to go up here, and then at the middle of the road we see this doji right here, and we know that if we break a doji from upside or downside, we can take retracement trade. And then after that we have this doji broken just like that. So this is a buy trade for us because the market's direction is with us. It's in the direction of the QM, and we're going with the market's direction, adding this doji break, and we know we just imagined that the market would go up. Okay, it didn't go up, but still this was a very nice takeable trade. There's another example for QMs. It has been a long time I haven't traded a QM. I just started adding decision points to my plan. I will try it for a while. This is another QM, but this is a sell one. Okay, and then it created another buy QM, and boom. See, so the market basically keeps creating these patterns all the time, and we as a trader see which one is more frequent and how we can get better results and just trade them. This is all about trading. All right, I will look for other pairs. All right, so here you can see that the market is coming down, right? We can already tell drop and a big drop. We are creating a base, and then market will decide if it's going to have a rally to the upside or if it's going to have another drop just like that. So this is the bigger picture. Okay, for now we are inside of this range and we know that the market is coming down, right? So I will try to find this sell setup. This is a huge gap up. Let me just see if we can find an entry. Okay, I entered right here. I added one more because it was a lower price. And this is, I think, a safe trade to take. We have gap up. We have market's direction to the downside. Okay, and I'm pretty sure inside of this it will be some supply, fresh supply. Oh, it's above our entry. So I really hope it doesn't close above our entry because the supply area is above. So it might go up a little bit and then drop. We might have basically, okay, it's about to close. There we go, it was a winning trade. We might have, yes, I see. So our trade is basically reacting from this supply, and the bigger supply was up here. Okay, so this one basically reacted from that. There's another supply up here, but I just took the trade, and I know that the price would come down eventually, but we're done with this particular pair. I will look for other pairs to see what else we have. Oh, this one's so annoying. It didn't really come down to my entry. This is the one that I marked when I was starting to look for trade in today's session. Oh, this was very nice to take. This was very nice to take. Unfortunately, we missed it. All right, take a look at this one. You can tell that the market's where the market will go, right? So let's just zoom in. We could take this doji break. Okay, this one would be risky. This one would be nice. If it was breaking this doji again, it would be nice. And if I find the supply right above that, after this candle close, okay, let me just see. Yes, there's a supply above that. Right here, but unfortunately price didn't come up. No, I missed this opportunity, man. But it was against the market's direction, so we're totally fine. We don't want to take risky trades. I will look inside of this engulf to see what we have. Okay, we have a demand area. If the price comes down here by any chance, I will take it. Or if it goes up to this supply, I will still take it. Okay, these two areas, this is a buying area for me, and this is a selling area for me, because if it comes up, it comes down, it will react from it. If it goes up, it will react from it. Let's just see. Okay, I take this buy right here. It's a bit, all right. It was a winning trade. And the reason behind this trade is simply because you know that this is a very nice demand area before the breakout, okay? If you look at this, we have a nice little trend line every time respecting, and all of a sudden something happens in the market and they decide to make this break, and then you see this engulf in 1 minute candle right here. If you look, this is a fresh 1 minute engulf. If we go to lower time frame, we will see fresh demand areas. This is the fresh demand area for the entry. Just like that, you can enter exactly when the candle touches this zone and you will win the trade. You can also refine your zone by making it smaller and smaller until you find a very nice and optimized entry. Okay, so the most optimized entry would be exactly the one we took, I guess. And yeah, I'm just going to stop right here. I hope you enjoyed. Also, I deeply appreciate those who trusted me as their mentor and signed up for the mentorship. I'm really surprised at in the first day, basically 90% of the spots taken. There's a couple of spots remaining. If you're interested, you can just check the Telegram channel, link in the description. Thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.